Today's episode is about the 4 best trends for 2023 when it comes to hotels. The 4 best trends for 2023 when it comes to hotels. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bells. So now, guys, hotels are now like modernizing things. They are trying to get up to par with how the world is moving, how social media is driving, so that they can be at the top of their game when getting their clients to come to their hotels. So the first thing that is trending in 2023 is work from hotel. Work from hotel. This is giving you the ability to work from any hotel in the US or international. This is something that they are pushing for people to come because a lot of people are working remote, this gives you the option from travel from state to state, and for some companies or some businesses or whoever you work for, allow you to work overseas international. So they want to make the hotel a workable experience. So this is what you'll be seeing, work from hotel experience. So that's the first trend. Second trend, Instagrammability. I don't even know if that's a word, but I came up with it and I saw people using it too. So I was like, okay, Instagrammability. Hotels realize that a lot of people are utilizing their IG, TikToks to push a lot of their content through the hotels. So in order for you to come stay at the hotel, they realize they have to make their hotels very much Instagrammable, right? I don't know if that's a word either, but we're going to go with it. But anyway, so that is another thing that's happening. If you start noticing like a lot of boutique hotels, but here's the thing I want to note, I want you guys to also pay attention to. If you're like me who like boutique hotels, it was like boutique hotels were already hip to it years ago. I remember going to Cape Town and staying at this place called the Hallmark Boutique. And I mean, the aesthetics were amazing. My first time going roughly back in like 2017, 18. But the aesthetics were there, but also people weren't really pushing like hotel, taking photos in the hotels or walking down, the hallways, because they weren't like really Instagrammable, right? And so now if you notice on IG and all social media, even Reels, you see people walking down the hotel hallways or utilizing elevators because it's extremely nice. It's aesthetically pleasing. This is what the hotels are gearing towards. A lot of them are revamping and remodeling to make sure that their hotels are very much Instagrammable. Number 3, using your cell phone as a room key. I didn't really start experiencing this until maybe like 2 years ago. No, I lied. I experienced this for the first time I was in Hong Kong, China, when I was staying at this hotel called Hotel Go, Go Yo-Yo Hotel, if I'm not mistaken. It was in Hong Kong on the island. And when we went to the counter to check in, they basically took my phone, downloaded an app and say, hey, here, this is how you'll access your room. Basically, you take your phone, as long as you have your Bluetooth on, because Wi-Fi was throughout the entire hotel, you tap the door and boom, it opens. Now, I remember going into Washington, D.C., staying at the Hilton. Before I even got there and I checked in on my phone because I paid ahead of time, they automatically sent me the room key. I went to the door, typed in the PIN, and got into the room. So that's another thing. They're getting away from the fobs just to keep up with the technology and what's going on in the world. So look out for that too, right? And number 4, a lot of hotels are becoming extremely pet friendly. Like I remember there were hotels that were not pet friendly, but now it's almost like all hotels are becoming pet friendly, which is kind of like new. So for some people that's a good thing. For some people it's not a good thing because I mean, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I love pets, but when I'm on vacation, I don't want to hear a barking dog next door, or a meowing cat next door, or whatever else, or you might have. I don't really want to hear that on my vacation. I want to enjoy my space. So my hope is, and I'm going to do some more research on this. Maybe they allotted certain areas in the hotel directly for pets. Maybe it could be from penthouse all the way down to like standard basic hotels, basic rooms. But maybe it'll be just a certain section because I know me, if I hear a barking dog, I'm going to be over it. And somebody's going to be compensating me. No offense. I'm just saying. But anyway, those are my 4 trends for 2023 in regards to hotel. If you guys notice any other trends, let me know. Put it in the notes below. I'm going to send it in the comments below so we can chat about it. And again, guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. And lastly, y'all, do y'all like my jacket? Because I love my jacket, right? So let me know. Leave in the comments if you like my jacket. Y'all, I'm trying to switch up my, my fashion and, update and do a little different, little something. But let me know if you like my jacket. I would like to hear your comments.